Google Assistant or voice search not working on your Android TV. Before you replace the remote or reset everything, try these quick fixes. First, start with the basics. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and make sure your TV is actually connected to the internet. Voice control will not work without a stable connection, so this step is important. Next, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Date and Time. Make sure the date and time are set correctly for your country or region. Wrong date and time can silently break Google services, including voice control. Now head back to Settings, Device Preferences, Google Assistant. If it's turned off, turn it on. If this is your first time enabling it, follow the on-screen instructions and allow all requested permissions. Still inside Google Assistant settings, open searchable apps. Make sure the apps you want to control by voice, like YouTube, are enabled. Now go to Settings, Apps, App Permissions, Microphone. Allow microphone access for Google Play Services, Google Play Store, YouTube. If the mic permission is blocked, voice commands won't work, no matter what. If it's still not working, unpair and repair your remote. Go to Settings, Remotes and Accessories, select your remote and unpair it. Then follow the on-screen steps, usually holding two buttons together, to reconnect it. As a final fix, go to Settings, Apps, See All Apps, Google. Clear cache and data, then restart your TV completely. Now try using the voice button again. Open YouTube. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. That's how you fix Google Assistant or voice control not working on Android TV. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes.